What if sipping a tropical drink could actually enhance your mood? Picture this. You're on a sandy beach, sun blazing, and you take a sip of a vibrant piña colada that instantly makes you burst into laughter. Sounds like a dream, right? Imagine a cocktail infused with joy, each sip sending waves of happiness through your body, transforming a dull afternoon into a spontaneous dance party on the shore. What if a mango margarita could help you channel your inner comedian? Every time you drink it, you become the life of the party, cracking jokes that leave everyone in stitches. Or how about a coconut mojito that makes you feel like you can take on the world? With every refreshing gulp, you're not just hydrating, you're empowering yourself to conquer your to-do list. And let's not forget the strawberry daiquiri that sparks wild conversations with strangers, turning awkward silences into shared laughter. The possibilities are endless. Tropical drinks as mood enhancers could redefine our vacations, making every sip a step toward joy. So next time you're sipping something fruity, just think, could this be the key to unlocking happiness? Hey, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Stay curious, be safe, and keep the wonder alive.